What can I do for you? A SAR, or a search and rescue dog, is trained to search for people or items by finding scents in the air or on the ground. To become a SAR dog, the dog and the handler must put in lots of hours of hard work. They practice in all kinds of weather and in all types of terrain. Training. All dogs like to play, and they learn through playing. When you train a SAR dog, the dog is having fun. Every time the dogs get it right, they get lots of praise. That is why they love practicing. Hiding the dog's special toy can be the start of a career as an SAR dog. The dog also needs to work on obedience commands, like when the handler says, "Stay," the dog stays. Having control of the dog ensures the safety of the dog, the handler, and the people involved in operations. Some commands are easy to succeed with. Others require a lot of advanced training. It can take from 1 to 3 years before a dog is good enough to be part of a rescue operation. Every day, people lose many micro-skin cells. Dogs can smell these microcells when they look for missing people. For example, the SAR dogs ignore their own safety to follow commands. They really are courageous and self-sacrificing. Each winter, people are caught in avalanches on mountains all over the world. It is important to find these people as soon as possible. Search and rescue dogs are much faster and more efficient in their search than people are. They can detect human scent under layers of snow. When they locate a buried person, they will start barking and digging. It is said that it takes about 20 men, 20 hours to search an area of 100 times 100 meters, while it takes a rescue dog only 20 minutes. If there are no bodies buried under the snow within an area, they are also able to tell their handler.